Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are unable to cancel a Prime Video channel, it's usually due to billing through a different platform, account confusion, or subscription settings. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix issues when you can't cancel a channel on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, channels must be cancelled from the platform you subscribe through. Some subscriptions are billed via third parties like Apple, Google, etc. Cancellation option may not appear on unsupported devices. Okay, so most issues means billing source mismatch. Okay, so check where you subscribe, like ask yourself, where did I subscribe? Possible sources like Amazon websites, in-app purchase like on Android or iOS, smart TV provider. Okay, so you must cancel from the same platform. Okay, cancel via Amazon website, so this is the most common, like go to your Amazon account, open memberships and subscriptions, and find your Prime Video channel and click cancel channel. So it works if billed directly by Amazon. Cancel via Apple. Okay, so if you subscribed via iOS, open device settings. Okay, type your Apple ID and go to subscriptions and select the channel and tap cancel. So Apple handles the billing. Cancel via Google, like if subscribed via Google Play, open Google Play Store, tap profile, go to payments and subscriptions and select subscriptions and cancel the channel. So it's required for Android billing. Okay, so check you are using the correct account, like log out of Prime Video and log back in with the correct Amazon account. It prevents missing subscription options. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.